Okay, hi everyone. I just want to go through with you how to add and subtract fractions. Okay, addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, so last time we learned before, example 4 out of 5. Oops, sorry. 4 out of 5 plus 2 out of 5. Okay, so when you see these fractions, right, the first thing you take note of is the denominator, yes? Correct? And once you do that, you know that they are the same, you can just combine them. On top is what? 4 plus 2, right? And that gives me 6 over 5. Very simple things that you've learned before. Okay, now I'm going to erase this. I'm going to just use back the same example, but now we do subtraction. Okay, subtraction meaning 4 over 5 minus 2 over 5. Okay, and what does this give me? Again, we look out for the same thing, the denominator. If they're the same, we're happy. Why? We can do this. Over 5, combine them. And then what does it become? It becomes 4 minus 2, right? So we write in 4 minus 2. And that gives me 2 over 5. Okay, so this is how we add, addition. And then for this will be subtraction. Okay, subtraction of fractions. Now we're going to look at algebra. Now how about different denominators? What do we do? Okay, so let me erase off everything. I erase all, good. Okay, so the first thing we do is using the same example, 4 over 5 plus now 2 over 3. We all know what to do here, right? So what do? We have to change the denominator to be the same. So we look for the lowest common multiple. Some of y'all may be familiar with this. Oh, just multiply with each other. So times 3 times 3, and the other side will be times 5 times 5. And what does that give me? Over 3 times 5, 15. So the top, what do I get? 4 times 3, 12. 2 times 5, okay, plus 10. And that gives me 22 over 15. Alright, so if we are adding fractions with different denominators, we have to make it the same. Okay, now same for subtraction. What if we do subtraction? Same thing, 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3. Okay, that gives me, same thing, I want to multiply it, make the same denominator, times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. Alright, that gives me over 15, because 5 times 3, 15, 3 times 5 also 15. So who minus who? 4 times 3 is 12, minus 2 times 5, 10. Okay, I get 2 over 15. Ta-da, that's my answer. So, same thing, we have to make the denominator the same. Okay, same in addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. Take note, this is different from the previous one we did, multiplication. Multiplication is just multiply. Subtraction, addition, you must make the same. Okay, now what if we're doing it with algebra? Then it's a bit different already. Okay, so I'm going to go through quickly with you the same example we did just now. Okay, so it's 4x over 5 plus 2x over 5. Now, first thing we do, we check denominator. Same? Yes, same, we're happy. We put over 5. Next thing, we check 4x plus 2x. Okay, so alright, 4x plus 2x. That gives me 6x over 5. Simple, right? Now, subtraction will be the same. Just a quick one in case some of you... Now, if you know this in the video, you just fast forward. Okay? You don't have to listen to me. Just in case you're not sure. Okay, same thing. 5 and 5, very happy. Because this is subtraction, not multiply, we put a 5 below. 4x minus 2x. Minus, okay, and write 4x minus 2x. That gives me 2x over 5. Ta-da! Happy. You see the difference? Now with algebra, you just put the letters there and you do the same grouping, the same thing you do for simplifying algebra. Exactly the same. Okay, now we look at slightly more difficult ones. Alright, erase all again. Okay, let's look at this. What if it's different denominator? Plus 2x over 3. What do we get? What must we do first? Remember, the same thing we do is to check the denominator. Are they the same? Different. Let's fix it. How to fix it? Times 3 times 3 for the first one, times 5 times 5 for the second one. Just a quick one. Yeah, okay. And that would solve our problem because our denominator is now 15, right? Okay, now we have an issue already. Let's look at this. 4x times 3 is, 12x. Then plus 2x times 5. What's 2x times 5? 10x. Okay? And that gives me 22x over 15. Alright, so you do the same for subtraction. If I change this to subtraction, exactly the same thing, okay? Exactly the same thing, just subtraction only. Change it to 15, it becomes 12x minus 10x. Or, you know how to do already, right? Times 3 times 5. Or, and then you get 2x over 15. Okay, so that's that. Now, one last one before I finish the video. It's very long, I know. Okay, what if there are two terms? So like this, 4x plus 1 over 5. Then plus 2 over 5. How? Okay, don't be worried about the top guy here. Just remember, this guy comes as a package. Keep it there. Okay, first thing, use different color. Check the denominator. Are they the same? Yes. Happy. Write 5. What is on top? 4x plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. Sorry, the 2 didn't come out. 2. Okay, and what do I get? 4x plus 1 plus 2 over 5. Simplify this, like terms. 4x plus 3 over 5. Get it? Okay, same for the subtraction. Alright. Okay, I'm going to stop here. I'll do one more for subtracting difficult questions. Okay, so thank you.